Breakfast is often called the most important meal of the day, but in our busy world, it can also be the most overlooked. Too often, we reach for something quick, processed, or full of sugar, leaving our bodies craving nourishment and balance. But what if your breakfast could be more than just a meal? What if it became a daily ritual, a way to set the tone for your health, your energy, and your mindset? Today, we're diving into 5 holistic breakfast recipes that you can make in just 5 minutes. Each one is designed to support a different wellness theme, whether you're looking to boost your energy, detoxify gently, or simply create a mindful start to your day. These recipes are plant-forward, nourishing, and incredibly easy to prepare. By the end of this video, you'll have a toolkit of quick meals to elevate your mornings into true wellness rituals. Recipe 1. Energy-boosting matcha chia pudding. Our first recipe is all about energy, the kind that lasts. Matcha, a finely ground green tea powder, is rich in antioxidants and contains L-theanine, which helps balance the stimulating effects of caffeine. Instead of the jittery crash you might get from coffee, matcha provides smooth, focused energy. For this pudding, simply mix matcha powder with almond milk, chia seeds, and a touch of maple syrup for sweetness. Let it sit for just a few minutes until the chia seeds expand into a creamy texture. Top it with fresh berries for an extra antioxidant punch. In under 5 minutes, you'll have a breakfast that fuels both body and mind. Perfect for busy mornings that demand clarity and focus. Recipe 2. Detoxifying lemon ginger overnight oats. Next, we have a detox-friendly option. Oats are naturally high in fiber, supporting healthy digestion, while lemon and ginger are known for their cleansing, anti-inflammatory properties. Although the base of overnight oats is usually made the night before, the preparation takes less than 5 minutes and leaves you with a ready-to-eat meal in the morning. Combine rolled oats with plant-based milk, grated ginger, lemon zest, and a drizzle of honey. By morning, the flavors infuse together, creating a refreshing and light breakfast that feels both nourishing and revitalizing. Add a sprinkle of chia seeds or flax seeds for an omega-3 boost, and you've got a meal that supports your body's natural detox processes while tasting bright and uplifting. Recipe 3. Calming banana almond smoothie. Not every morning calls for a burst of energy. Sometimes what we need is grounding, calm, and comfort. Our third recipe delivers just that with a banana almond smoothie. Bananas provide natural sweetness and potassium for heart health, while almond butter offers healthy fats and protein to keep you satisfied. Blend a ripe banana with almond butter, almond milk, and a pinch of cinnamon. In just moments, you'll have a creamy, satisfying smoothie that feels like a hug in a glass. This recipe is especially great for stressful mornings when you want to ground yourself with something nourishing yet simple. Recipe 4. Immune-supporting turmeric, golden oats. Our fourth recipe is all about strengthening the immune system while bringing warmth to your morning routine. Turmeric, with its bright golden hue, is famous for its anti-inflammatory compound curcumin. When combined with black pepper, its absorption is enhanced, giving your body maximum benefit. To prepare, stir turmeric and a pinch of black pepper into warm oats made with your choice of plant milk. Add cinnamon for sweetness, a drizzle of maple syrup, and perhaps a few chopped dates or figs. The result is a cozy golden bowl that not only satisfies but also supports your body's defenses. This breakfast feels like a protective ritual, perfect for days when you want extra resilience. Recipe 5. Radiance boosting Acai yogurt bowl. Our final recipe is a beauty from within breakfast, the Acai yogurt bowl. Acai berries are loaded with antioxidants known to support skin health, fight free radicals, and promote a radiant glow. Pairing acai puree with plant-based yogurt creates a refreshing and nourishing base. Top it with granola for crunch, sliced kiwi for vitamin C, and a sprinkle of hemp seeds for protein and omega-3 fatty acids. In just a few minutes, you'll have a colorful bowl that feels indulgent but is deeply nourishing. This recipe reminds us that eating well is not only about fueling the body, it's also about celebrating color, texture, and joy at the start of the day. Now that we've covered 5 unique recipes, let's talk about how to make breakfast more than just food. A holistic breakfast is about intention. Take a moment to choose ingredients mindfully, appreciating where they come from and how they support your body. Keep your recipes simple so they fit into your lifestyle. 5 minutes is enough to create something nourishing. And most importantly, Allow your breakfast to be a pause before the rush of the day, a moment of connection with yourself and your well-being. So there you have it, 5 holistic breakfast recipes that transform your mornings into rituals of wellness. Matcha chia pudding for energy, lemon ginger oats for detox, a banana almond smoothie for calm, turmeric golden oats for immunity, and an acai yogurt bowl for radiance. Each recipe is quick, plant-forward, and designed to align with the rhythms of your body. Remember, wellness isn't built on extremes or complicated routines. It grows from small, intentional choices repeated daily. By giving yourself 5 minutes each morning to prepare something nourishing, you're setting the tone for a day that feels balanced, energized, and mindful. If you enjoyed this journey into holistic living, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more wellness-inspired recipes, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Here's to mornings that truly nourish you, inside and out.